and do not push other passengers when boarding the train. Panatilihin po natin ang kalinisan at kaayusan sa loob ng tren. Mahigpit din pong ipinagbabawal ang kumain, uminom, at manigarilyo sa loob ng tren. Please keep our trains clean. Eating, drinking, and smoking are strictly prohibited inside the train. Paparating na sa Hill Puyat Station. Approaching Hill Puyat Station. Hill Puyat Station. Hill Puyat Station. Po tayong makipag-unahan at tulakan